Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to check Facebook video history. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to your activity and tap on Activity Log. Here you can see various topics right next to Public Post. Swipe it to your left and tap on Videos Watched. If you have watched any videos, you can find it here. And that's it. This is how you check your Facebook video history. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.